All right, folks, Bob here. Over here at John's shop again. He's got several cars over here today he's working on for people. This one here is a 1967 Camaro. I don't know if it's a true SS. It's wearing SS badges. It may very well be. Don't know. 396 turbojet. It's got a 500 and something inch engine in it now. Check out that cowl hood, and that's a nicely done cowl hood. Some of them are too big. I like that one. Very nice. That's aftermarket, of course. Look at these tires. My goodness. Whew. Look at that. Stainless exhaust on it. Just dumps up right in the back. That's cool how they did that. What kind of wheels are these? Billet Specialties. Okay. Nice looking wheel. Well, he said this car was in here. It's a 4-speed. Yeah, I'm gonna roll some gears here. Man, that thing's fun to drive. 4-speed, 500 incher. He said it was flooding bad, running rich. So it's in here to have some carburetor work done on it. I always like the way they did the spoilers on these cars. I'm not going to open the door or the hood on this. It's not my car. The owner of the shop gives me permission to do the videos, so that's good enough for me. Got the original style low back bucket seats. Got a little bit of a rain shower happening right now, so this car is wet. Actually, it just quit raining, but he'll probably start back in a second. That Jeep there and that Bronco are both on the channel already if you want to see those. It wasn't that long ago. These cars look good with that chin spoiler. He didn't have that on this one, but I've seen some that had that little small chin spoiler. They look nice. Big block 500 inch 4-speed Camaro 1967. Very nicely done car. Nicely done car. All right, folks, hit that thumbs up. That's good for the algorithms. It's the little like button. It helps the channel, it helps us get more videos seen, and lets us know that you appreciate what we're doing for you. We got a lot of crazy stuff happening right now. I ain't made a video at all. It's happening so fast. We got project cars coming and going left and right, and stuff we're selling and buying. So stay tuned to the channel. We got a lot going on. Thank you very much, folks. Hit that thumbs up, please. Bob out.